Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I filmed something, but seeing as I'm gonna be at home for the next little while, I thought it would be fun to do something a little bit different, and I thought I'd do a nail art tutorial with you guys. But yeah, I know it's a really tough time for everyone right now, but maybe this will be something fun for you to do at home, a little bit of self-care, because we got too many bad things happening and we need a little bit of positivity. So yeah, I wanted to try to recreate these flame nails. I love the color combo on this. It's like a light pale blue with like a peachy outline. And I've also seen more simplistic ones where it's just one color, so that these are pink flame nails. Obviously, the OG like Hot Wheels style. You got the black with the yellow and the red. Very cool. Yeah, I thought it'd be fun to try to do this. I haven't done nail art in a while, so let's see how this goes. I don't really seem to have any peachy colors. Okay, so I think I've narrowed down my colors. I think I'm gonna do a base, which is this nudie sheer color. And this is Fairy Tailor by Essie Gel. And then I think I'm gonna do a white outline with a lilac flame. So that's the plan. We'll see if that works out well. And I'm also going to be using Deborah Lippmann's Turn Back Time as a base coat. I'm going to need my buffing block, some nail art tools of sorts, and handy dandy top coats. I guess step one is to prep my nails. So first I'll be doing a base coat with Deborah Lippmann's Turn Back Time. So next I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this Essie Gel polish called Fairy Tailor. It's a sheer polish, a little almost like a jelly polish. Just gotta be careful when painting your nails with this to make sure there's enough on the brush so you don't create streaks on your nails. And we'll let this dry before we move on to the design. So for the next nail art part, you'll probably want nail art brushes. These are 2 that I have. I also have a piece of cardboard. You can also use plastic that you'll be depositing polish onto, so you can grab it. My plan is to be doing the flames with this lilac purple color and the outline with the white. What I'm gonna do is probably do the white base first, and this is Amazing Grace by Deborah Lippmann. A fantastic pigmented white polish. And for the lilac on top, this is Lacey Lilac 270 by Hansen. Got my flame reference photos. I'm gonna slowly paint some flame shapes on my nails. That's not giving me fine enough points. We're gonna try it with this. I mean, altogether, it kind of looks like flames, but if I were to just look at this, I'd be like, what is this? I'm just gonna go back in real quickly and like sharpen up the points and stuff and let this dry, and then we'll move on to the purple. Okay, back. They look not terrible. So we're gonna get going on the purple. So just doing the same thing as the white, putting some onto the cardboard. Clean my brush off in between. Let's see how this goes. I think the hardest part will be like to keep the same distance of white around each flame. And there we go, we got one done. That actually looks really cute. The color combo looks great. I think the white base helps make the purple pop even more. That looks so sick. So that's the purple done, and I think they look all right. I think the purple really adds something. Adding a top coat will definitely make a huge difference. The last thing that I'll need is a top coat, and I'll see you guys after I finish my other hand. So yeah, it's clearly the next day. I am wearing a different outfit, but I finished my nails. It was just like really late at night last night, and they turned out really, really well. They're not perfect, but I didn't expect them to be, considering it was my first time doing it. But I'm pretty happy with the results. They look so sick. I really like it. I would say this was probably, took me maybe like an hour to do like both hands together. Definitely left hand was easier because I am right-handed. Right hand was a bit of a struggle, but I'll push through and I got it done. And I think they look super cute. So yeah, let me know if you decide to try this out. And I would love to see your version of flame nails. Use the hashtag Deconstrut, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.